guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle, beautiful, inspiring content. If you like my these videos, kindly please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells so you get notified every time a video goes up. So today I want us to do hair. I look like a schoolgirl. But I really love these cornrows. They're just 10 cornrows. I had them done at my local salon for about 200 shillings. That's like $2. So I want us to do some crochet hair. The hair doesn't come like branded. So this is the braid. The name of the braid is LOCS, and it's not that quite long, and this is the only piece that comes packaged. It's also not a lot. That is how it looks. I went for black. And how many does it come? Let me see. So it comes 24 braids in one pack, and this one costed me 650 shillings, just this one piece. So I bought 4 pieces, 3 pieces of the same color, and then I bought one different color. So this is just like black and white color. So I just bought this to just mix and match. And the method, like I said, crochet. So I'm having my crochet needle. Hair is already down in cornrows. You can actually choose to do this like individual braids. So you can have someone do it, or if you can do it, why not save cost? So for me, we're doing crochet, so these are the only tools that I need. And of course my hair, my mirror is here, so if you see me looking sideways, I'm looking at the mirror. So yeah, so let's get started. And oh, before someone asks me where I got the LOCS from, I got them at Dubois Road. Remember the place where I told you I got my wig? Is that wig seated over there chilling? That one, the same place, but this time round you can go until 4th floor. That's where I got this, at shop number F3. Yes, shop number F3, Dubois Road, upstairs. I'll be sure to be leaving a link of that video of where exactly those shops you can get. And actually this is wholesale basis, because if you buy this from this salon that we have online, this one goes for like 900 shillings to 1000 shillings. So 600 shillings, it's good. It's a good bargain. So let's get straight into today's videos. I hope I have given enough detail of the braid, where I got it from, and everything else. In case you have any questions, leave a comment down below and let me know what other queries you have I can answer about the hair. So yeah, so I'll start by crocheting from the back, then when I'm almost at the front I'll come back and show you guys, because it's actually a repeated work and I don't want this again to be a very long boring video. So let me crochet from the back, then come back and show you how we can crochet at the front. So far I have crocheted quite a number, and I'm trying to space it out simply because the braids are less, and this is the back side, so a lot of hair from the front will flow at the back, but again you also want some braids. So that is what we have so far. So still on the first piece we have these braids remaining. So I still want to crochet more, and since I have started coming at the front, let me show you exactly what I'm doing. So it comes with a loop. I hope it's focused enough, but the loop is really tiny, so I would just want to make it big a little bit like that. Then the crochet, then I just want to pass it through my hair like that. Open the latch, insert the braid, close the latch, pull through, open the latch again, and then you want to separate these two hairs. Then you want to take this end, close the latch, pull in through the loop, then just close it and pull it like that. Like that. So that is what we have. So I'll repeat that again. Small loop, so you want to enlarge it just a little bit. Yeah, take your hook, let's try this, pass it through your hair, insert it, close it, pull through, open again, and just insert it, close it, pull it through, and just start pulling the hair like that. It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. So I'll continue doing that. is how we look like. So the front part looks like that. I try to come as closely as to the edge where the cornrows were done, so that when I decide to do like such a style, it will be a clean edge. So yes, and it's fuller at the back, which I really love. So with the parting, you can just decide to do a side part. That's how it looks like. So let's talk about the hair a little bit. It's really very light, and the fact that it comes with this hair that has been pulled out makes the hair even more fuller. And something else I'll say about the cornrows, the lesser the cornrows, the better for you, because one, you'll end up using lesser braids, and then two, you will end up having a fuller look like what I've just done. My cornrows were 10, so the 4 packets, it really made the hair look good. So that is the finished look. So something else I'll say about the hair is it came in colors like 133, the brownish one, then the black one, this blonde one, then the maroon one. So those were pretty much the colors that I saw. Probably there are more colors to it, but this was my choice because I didn't want a bright look and I didn't want a plain look still. So that is it for the hair. It's versatile, I know. You can choose to do this method of cornrow, like I said, or you can choose to do the individual, just like the normal braid. You can choose to do it at your salon, you can choose to DIY, however you like it. Do you, girl, do you, girl. So yeah, and that's the length. It's not so long. Yeah, let me turn around and show you how it looks like. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in my next video. Bye.